Wow, here's another one. Let's get a video of this. See how the truck is throwing the snow off through the side? So this is the road that's called the Highway to Hell, and there's a series on well, they're in the Philippines. I don't know, that TV that was there's a cable, and I see people watching it, and there's a horrible song about Highway to Hell, and I don't even want to begin to sing it, but it keeps saying Highway to Hell, and it's this is the what they call the Highway to Hell. It's there's a lot of stories. The Donner Pass, just Google it and you can see. Brendan is going pretty fast. I don't know if I like this. Brendan, why don't you go a little slower? It's a little bit too fast. We're going 80. It's crazy. Guys, that's 160 kilometers per hour. And there's snow plows and snow. It's cold. What's the temperature? Do you have temperature? 30. It's minus 2 Celsius, 30 degrees Fahrenheit. This is, you know, we're not far from home.
Don't stop. You're going to see something very pretty.
We're going to see something very pretty over here. Keep recording, Brendan says. Just slow down, please. Slow down. It's very scary.
Well, look, see the sunset?
Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Wow. Really nice.
Look at that.
Wow, you can see the other highway down there. Don't want to break down here. We would die of freeze to death. Many people die in this area. They go off the road and people don't know they're down there, and then they just freeze. Get cold and die. I don't even have a jacket. I'm still in my Philippine clothes.